Oh, bro! Yon the kind coming!
One what?
One hurricane!
What crew? How far?
It's like 2 inches away from Hawaii.
We gotta prep.
I get 'em.
Okay, what do we need?
We need water. Water. Check. We need canned goods.
Cans. Good, huh?
Check. We need in case get flood.
In case we flood.
Check. We need gas. Check. Okay. Now we ready.
Hey, we should go check how many inches away the hurricane stay.
Hey, how come the hurricane never moved?
Look, 3 months old, bro.
Oh, and look, this picture's from Guy Hoggy. Oh, that makes sense. Oh, well.
So, what do we do with all these hurricane snaps?
Huh. I don't know.